Hi, I'm Kirk, CTO of SparkFun. Today I'm here to talk to you about the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. This is a new exciting platform that came out last year from NVIDIA that we started carrying and offering through the year with new products. And this is it. This is the Nano. It's a system-on-module compute platform on a very small system with a big heat sink because it's incredibly powerful. And we actually ship it on the development board. It pops in and comes with this, complete with USB, Ethernet, HDMI out, all the connectors you need, including a 20x2 GPIO header for extensibility. When this came out, SparkFun realized this is an exciting platform and we wanted to support it fully. We developed a suite of products around the Jetson that we're going to talk to you about today.
If you're not familiar with it, the NVIDIA Jetson Nano is a very small, compact design, single board computer that brings NVIDIA's years of graphics compute technology, GPU technology, and AI to the market. But also the actual processor itself is based on a system-on-module or SOM capability, similar to what you would see the size of a memory chip in a standard desktop computer. It's incredibly powerful, focused at AI, and delivers a shocking 472 GFLOPS in performance. And all this is built on top of a very familiar Linux environment. It's really a full stack Linux computer. When this product was released, we at SparkFun realized, this is an incredible ecosystem. How can we work with NVIDIA and what kind of products can we bring to the market to support the NVIDIA Jetson Nano platform? And really it comes down to three areas that we focused at SparkFun and things we have offering today. One is the NVIDIA Jetson Nano itself and kits that work with it. We resell the development kit. We sell something called the DLI, Deep Learning Institute kit, to really get going with the Jetson Nano. Additionally, we have an extensive accessory ecosystem for our platform, and we've extended that into the NVIDIA Jetson system. This is our Qwiic system, and we provide a series of hats and shims to connect the NVIDIA Jetson to our Qwiic system in excess of 50 plus sensors, accessories, and modules. And behind that is a Python library that really eases access to these from the Linux environment on board the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. And additionally, we have the NVIDIA Jetson Robot Kit, specifically our SparkFun JetBot AI Kit. And this allows the hobbyist, the educator, people who are just curious about the little robots. So you can look at how AI learning can be used to do autonomous vehicles, object following, the educational environment. These offerings in detail, the first one is really the Jetson Nano itself. The Jetson Nano Developer Kit. We also have a series of compatible accessories that you can pair with the Nano as needed. This includes an imaging camera with a field of view. It's ideal for machine learning and machine vision. We have a USB dongle. Makes it easy to connect to Wi-Fi networks. The developer board does not include Wi-Fi built in. A power supply to really drive the high power requirements of the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. And additionally, a USB web camera that makes it easy to connect and do some of the DLI and machine learning that's available for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. Actually, as mentioned, we support a kit that's designed for the NVIDIA Deep Learning Institute. This set of courses and tutorials that NVIDIA offers for free and teach the end user machine learning, how to use the software that NVIDIA provides, and really the capabilities of the NVIDIA Jetson platform. Now, the kit we provide gives all the parts, supply, camera, USB cable, SD card, what you need to run the Getting Started on AI with Jetson Nano, that is part of the DLI course. And this kit is available either with a Nano or without a Nano if you already have one available. Additionally, as part of this offering, we have made access to our Qwiic ecosystem available to the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. SparkFun's Qwiic Connect ecosystem is built around a 4-pin JST connector, uses the standard I2C protocol for rapid development. It's really just plug and play. And another key part of this ecosystem and offering we have for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano is our SparkFun JetBot Kit. It's a robot built around the open source NVIDIA JetBot that provides a platform for AI-driven robotics. So everything's included in the kit, with or without a Jetson Nano, camera, motor controllers, quick connector, OLED display, chassis, motors, everything you need to build up a robot and run some tutorials. In addition to those products I just noted, we have some products coming out in the near future, builds off our Jetson product roadmap. One is the JetBot Stereo. So the latest development board for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano includes 2 camera connectors, and we would want to enable stereo vision using those camera connectors. Stereo vision in algorithms allows you to do perception, really allow robots to get a better access and understanding of the environment they're working on just using machine vision. Additionally, we have something we call the SparkFun Auto Hat. It's a FAT as we call it in SparkFun, that's focused on supporting robotics. It's all in one, and it includes a serial controlled motor driver, a servo motor controller, an IMU to look at the inertial monitoring unit, so detect how things are moving. It supports for motor encoders. So if you have a motor that actually returns a value of where the actual wheel is positioned, read it. It has a quick connector and also a USB connector for external power supply if you need to provide more power than the NVIDIA Jetson can provide. We've designed this board so other boards can stack on top of it to easily make a very complex and capable robot with no soldering, no to connect. It's really just plug and play. In addition, Top Hat, an IO-focused audio board. It's envisioned to sit on kind of a top of a stack of hats, and it includes a 2.5-inch color screen, microphones and a speaker, buttons, joystick, multicolored LEDs, and a quick connector. It's a series of Python libraries.
And that's our roadmap for the NVIDIA Jetson Nano. It really showed some of the products we have offered today and things we have in the pipeline that are coming out soon. If you have any more questions or want any more information about these products, please visit us at SparkFun.com. Thank you and hope to see you soon.